Okay, middle bracket. Middle bracket. Up there's a focus. On your heat shield, you just undo that 10mm nut, pull the heat shield back, down away, pinch it a little bit, it'll come off. And then the U-bracket, you put the bolts in from this side, it'll go through up there. Make sure your hard lines are above it. So, and then the nuts up there, so you do the nut up now. Hard to probably see it, because if I was smart I'd have a torch, but there's a clip. It's just up there on the top there. You just get it with just like a little pin punch or a screwdriver, and just punch it up and it'll undo the clip, and that way that'll allow the hard lines to move up. You just see it up there. Where is it? Yeah, somewhere up there. Yep, and then you basically just make sure the bolt goes underneath the hard lines, and yeah, do it up. Perfect.